Hey, it's Paul, and welcome to Build and Bond. Today we're going to be looking at 60407. We're going to build that together, and I've got some thoughts about it. I think it looks great, so stay tuned. So we're going to put this together. That's how it works here, and we're going to see a speed up version of that coming together, so you can see how all of it is assembled. I'm not going to talk a lot during it, but I have some thoughts about this, some things I really enjoyed. I think you're going to enjoy it as well, and I can't wait to get going. So let's start. How cute is the baby? First of all, we have to talk about the baby. And the fact that it's actually minifigure and it has two parts to it that you actually get to assemble. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it would be a one single piece. That was so much fun. Later on in the build, when you're putting it together, there actually is this clip that actually holds the carriage in place, just like a safety restraint would be in an actual bus. I think that's genius. I think the minifigures themselves are terrific. The only, and it's not a complaint, but the only thing that I think ruins the effect for me is the fact that the driver is also the tour guide. So you need to swap out somebody somewhere if you want to have someone driving the bus while he's giving a tour. I guess he could be doing it from the front seat, of course, but generally you tend to see these people standing on the top if you've been to those kind of cities where they have these buses. I do love the fact that you've got a guy taking pictures on his phone. I think that's really fun. And there are stairs to get up from the bottom level to the top level. In this really compressed model, they managed to somehow put that in. The angles of this bus, the way that it looks, and the construction, the style of it, is very modern. It feels like a modern day sightseeing bus to me, which I think is really clever. I understand why there's no roof on it. This is for sightseeing, it's for pleasure, it's for enjoyment. It's not meant to look like a traditional double-decker bus. I think a fun Easter egg is the fact that it's battery powered and that you can see that in the back. I think that's really fun and really cute. And it's a nice little nod to the kind of engine this is. Lastly, of course, having these different destinations on the front is so much fun, and it really makes it feel like it really is a tour bus that you would see in any town that you would go visit. So, okay, so that's it for the double-decker sightseeing bus. I have to say, and I have to reiterate, I almost slept on this one. I wasn't expecting it to be as much fun to put together as it was. There's great builds in here. There's so much playability with it, and I love putting stickers on. I'm that crazy person. But I have to tell you, I think you'll enjoy it too, because they really add to the overall look and feel. There's a lot of unique elements here. This is one that I am going to go and probably get a second one of because it's so much fun. I gotta say though, my favorite part of this, just like everything, is putting it together with you. So I hope that you'll come back and see me sometime and build and bond. Either click around, you know what to do. I really want to see you again. All right, in the meantime, whether you're sightseeing or at home building Lego, whether you have Lego or not, thanks for visiting. You got this.